Welcome my dear students in this new topic, and in this video we discuss the task management function. There are different task management functions that we can discuss in this video. The list of the task management function along with their description will be given here. These are the function call and along with its description. First function call is a task limit, task initiate, it means create a task. Then after that task active, it means initialize the task. Then task swap, it means create and initialize the task. Then task name means return task name and associate with the task ID. Then task name tool, it return task ID associated with the task name. Then task ID self means return task ID of following task. Then after that task ID verify means check whether the task given with a given ID exists. Then task option get means retrieve the option associated with the task. Then task option set the option for the task. Then task is ready, that is check whether the task is ready. Task is suspended means check whether the task is suspended. Task priority get means get the task priority. Task register get means to get the task register details. Task register set means set the task registers. These are the different task management functions. These are the different task management functions. That is task initiate, task active, task swap, task name, then task name tool, then task name task ID self, then task ID verify, task option get, task option set, task is ready, task is suspended, task priority get, task register details, and task register set. Okay. Then task scheduling. Task scheduling means it performs the scheduling with the help of the two interfaces. One is POSIX scheduling, that is process based, and then WIND scheduling. First we see the POSIX scheduling. POSIX scheduling means the process based scheduling provide the different scheduling policies to be implemented for the process. It allows only one system wide scheduling policy for the task. It supports the two such of policies, that is round robin and schedule RR, that is time slice based, for the equal priority tasks which cannot be preempted. The priority based preemptive scheduling, that is schedule FIFO, first in first out. The following are the different scheduling call will be here. These are the different scheduling call will be in front of you, and according as per their description will be here. First is schedule set from, that is set the priority of the task. Then schedule gets from, that is get the priority of the task. Schedule set scheduler, that is set the scheduling policies and priority for the task. Then schedule yield means stop the execution of a task, assign CPU to other task. Then schedule get scheduler, it is get the scheduling policy and priority for the task. Then schedule get priority max, it is retrieve the maximum possible priority value. Scheduling get priority min, that is retrieve the minimum possible priority value. Schedule the RR get interval, that is retrieve the time slice interval for round robin scheduling policy. So these are the different function calls for the round robin policies, for the different policies, that is scheduling set from, scheduling get from, scheduling at set scheduler, scheduling yield, and scheduling get scheduler, scheduling get priority max, and scheduling get priority minimum, and scheduling RR get interval. Okay, so these are the different function call, along with its the description will be in front of you. Thank you.